To my channel. Today I have new recipe fried pork in Chinese style. For ingredients, this one, pork rib, egg, big onion, dried mushroom, and then water, cooking oil, pereen, A1 sauce, tomato sauce, sesame oil, corn flour, sugar, salt. Okay, now ready to seasoning the pork rib. First time I take salt, little bit salt for season the pork rib like this, and then sugar 1 teaspoon like this. And then sesame oil 2 spoon like that. And then the last we put corn flour. This one for seasoning only, for marinade. The last put this one. Cut the big onion like this, strip like this one. Look nice. Mushroom like this. Later after that, cut the mushroom slices. We make the sauce, seasoning sauce for the pork rib just now in Chinese style. First time I take A1 sauce. One teaspoon, and then tomato sauce 2 spoon. 2 teaspoon. Sesame oil 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Salt like this, little bit. And then corn flour for make thick the sauce 1 teaspoon also, and then stir. Pereen 1 teaspoon, stir.